You have one job, 2 jobs. Show me things on the TV and don't fall over.
It's back! We are back for Loft Vibes Season 2.
So exciting. My name is Kelsey, this is Becky, and we're the Sorry Girls.
And in the last season of Loft Vibes, we moved in and styled our loft office that we work out of.
But there have been some big changes coming, so that means we need to change up our space a little bit.
All right, so we need to figure out what we want to do with all of this before we actually do it.
I'm so excited. Okay, let's talk problem areas.
Yeah.
Let's talk areas. So there's 3 things that happen in this loft. We do office work, we do filming and DIY work, and then Kelsey doesn't do work and just lives here.
Lives here.
So we need to address all of those areas. And right now, I mean, we've been doing good, but it's been like over a year, and I just feel like there's some changes that need to happen. So the plan is to disassemble the current plant nook, and we're gonna move the living room space over there.
And it actually makes a lot of sense because it's close to the stairs, which leads to Kelsey's room, which kind of makes it her half of the loft.
Okay.
Out with the old, in with the old.
Hey, we're getting some new, okay? But yeah, let's move old living room here, so I think clean this stuff out.
What's happening with the kitchen and table? Are we just not using it anymore?
I think that we can reuse some of it in the new office space. But yeah, like low key, come on. I'm a millennial. I sit and eat my dinner at the couch. Okay, bye. So I think that like it's good to keep the lamp here, but I think just for a living room it doesn't work, so maybe just like raise it up a bit, but then also give it a fresh look.
Yeah, we should paint it like a cool color.
Like a cool color?
Or black.
Okay.
So I don't remember how we got this up.
Okay, literally I don't remember. I'm sure it involved a ladder, but I don't know where that ladder is.
And we've since made this beautiful
it's such a gadget
for hanging plants, so.
Okay, so I think if one of us okay, we need like 2 chairs. Like, if I give this slack. Oh, okay.
Okay, that wasn't too bad.
Okay,
Let's just stool. Okay.
Oh,
Wait, the cord's up in there too.
Oh, we did that one up? How did we do this? Where did we get that ladder from?
Maybe we can paint it in here. As long as it reaches the floor, then we don't have to take it down.
Let's just get our spray paint tent.
Yeah. Okay, that looks good.
I was a little worried there for a sec, but it looks really good.
It's honestly like a whole different lamp. I feel like the cord blends a lot better now. Like it's cool, I like it.
That's true. Okay, so now we just have to put it back up, and I guess like higher?
A little bit, yeah. Because it's not going over a table anymore.
Yeah, it's going over a living room, so you just don't want to hit your head on it.
Cool.
We purchased a new rug for the living room. We purchased a rug for the living room because the old living room didn't have one, and a good living room needs a rug. I think it goes this way.
All right.
Very worldly. Wow. Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh my God. Be my Jasmine.
A whole new world. A whole new living room.
True. Actually, I really like it.
It's cool. It's really cool.
What are we gonna do next? Bring in stuff? It looks so good. Okay, let's try taking this TV off.
I've never really put stands on TVs recently, so I don't know. We are being extra cautious when moving this TV because if you remember the last season, you know our luck in TVs.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Okay, so.
Isn't there strings in it, or
There's
is that
little
the old
strings.
TV?
No, this is this TV. Okay.
We can pull the strings. Is it gonna go flying?
I don't know. These are things I don't know. Okay, do you want to pull the string?
A 1, 2.
Wait, I don't know. Daniela, can you come here?
We need more hands.
I'd rather not drop a TV today. Okay, and then Becky's gonna pull strings and apparently it's gonna release it up and out the wall. Okay. Wait, we should have unplugged first. Rookie mistake. Okay, hold on. And then just one on the other side. Nice! Okay.
Candy.
Okay.
What a nice carpet, guys.
Thanks. Okay, flip it forward.
All right.
Thank you.
So, do you know where the base is to this TV?
Yeah, my dad brought it.
All right. That's good.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Don't fall over.
Now that we cleared out all the plants and they're everywhere else, where are they going for realsies?
Okay, I was thinking, because I feel like I don't like couches just against the wall. It feels very I live in a small apartment and we don't live in
I
a
have
small
to use every square foot that I have.
Yeah, push it against the wall. I was thinking, and we used to have our plants here, they like the window, if we did a plant shelf
Oh, that's cool.
behind the couch.
What's that called? Like a credenza?
Like a credenza, gives some depth to the space, gives a place for the plants. It'd be good. And because you won't really see it, we can make it super simple, minimalist,
easy.
minimalist, some pine and some corner bracts, a little pine,
Little stain.
little stain,
It's good. It's good.
and that's good.
But we got some time to kill, so
Let's
hardware store now?
Yeah.
Cool. We're heading out to the hardware store to grab the wood and everything that we need to build this plant stand. So the plan is to build this big rectangle shape out of these beautiful wide wood boards, and it's gonna fit nicely behind the couch to hold all of our plants.
We're also gonna pick up some pots because our plants are outgrowing their current living situation.
I guess build it off of the carpet.
Yeah, depth.
The nice new carpet.
We should probably roll up the carpet. So pretty. Okay, wait, so the couch is 33 inches.
Yeah,
But we just want it to go
to the couch.
to the couch, so 33 inches.
Yep.
Cool. Okay. Stay with myself.
Okay, this looks like it's gonna work.
Yeah. If we flip it around.
If we flip it around, but I think the furniture guy is here.
Yeah, let's go see what we got.
Stoked.
We're really excited that Article is hooking us up with some new furniture for the living room. If you guys don't know, Article is a modern, original furniture brand with some gorgeous pieces.
And if you get a 30-day satisfaction guarantee so you can try out the furniture in your new home to make sure that you love it.
Okay, I love this couch.
It's definitely an upgrade, but
We messed up here.
I swear, I thought this was the right size.
I know. Whoops. We made our plant stand a little bit too tall, so it's time for some readjustments. So we want the top to be 6 3/4.
This is a much better size.
Yeah, I'm really liking this. Once
It's
we
cool.
wood fill it and stain it, it'll be awesome, but I think we might as well do that tomorrow.
And then we get to assemble everything, take stuff from the old living room that needs to go here now.
Yeah.
And then it's pretty much done. The first day of this makeover went super well. I'm excited to get back here tomorrow and hopefully finish it up.
Good morning.
Hi, I have wood filler. We can finish this now.
I know, I need that.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
That's what I do.
Yeah, let's, I guess, finish and stain this, and while this dries, we can finish up the rest of the place.
You have to cut it open.
All right, last step, we're going to stain our plant stand. This is looking really good.
The color it's really good. It's like we have a lot of woods here, but it matches kind of somewhere in the middle, which is nice.
Yeah. And it'll be behind the couch, so yeah, won't even see it. I think while this dries, let's maybe organize the old living room space.
Clear it out.
Clear it out, because that's gonna be the new office.
Sounds good. Out of the way.
Yeah.
For now.
That's fine. Yeah. Heat's not on. It's summer.
Okay. This wall still needs some patching work, but besides that, this space is kind of complete-ish until the next episode. So we found a good home for our old living room furniture, and this will all be out of the way by the time we're ready to make over the new office space.
Okay.
That's probably dry enough to move.
Let's see. Don't want any stain on the new couch, but it is not sticky at all. It's so light too. Wow.
Oh my God, custom cutout.
It's like it was made.
Made for this space?
Made for the space.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Cool. I like it.
We have a great plant shelf.
It's nice. It's really nice.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay, so
do you want to move the couch like almost all the way out of the way? Then we can put the rug exactly where it needs to go.
yeah, sure.
This has been a game of furniture Tetris.
Seriously. Okay. Furniture Tetris. The art of a good setup is playing around with the furniture and seeing what really works. We have to repot some plants today too.
Is it weird that like everything is like is all centered except for this is way off to the side, or no? Would you angle the TV then?
I don't think you can really angle it. Like obviously it'd be more ideal if it's centered, but just like for office wise, I don't know.
Well, we can move it around once everything's in place too.
Yeah.
How you feel. Cool.
Okay.
Good start. It's becoming a living room now.
It's becoming a living room.
Okay.
Maybe let's get the coffee table in.
Yeah.
Cool.
So it feels like everything's definitely very squished to that side. Especially from here.
I mean, a smaller coffee table would help.
Wouldn't hurt.
Although there's like, it just sucks because there's nothing wrong with it.
Mm-hmm.
Except for the size.
You want to try moving it so everything feels centered and see how much less room it feels like we have? This too. I feel like that feels better from like a viewer point of view.
I think that we need a couple more things. Pillows. It just doesn't feel right yet. And we'll have to bring in some plants.
Yeah. I will run out, look at options. I can text you some choices.
Yeah, I'm gonna repot some of these plants that we have because they need to be repotted.
And then we can put little plants on the new plant shelf too.
I know.
Oh, so cute.
It's gonna be cute.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good.
See you in a bit.
I'm back, and I have styling options.
I have plants.
So I was trying to find like ready things, but I was worried it's a hard color to match.
It is a hard color to match.
So I know you have maybe other pillows that we can contribute to this theme, But like the blue and the red, they vibe.
They totally vibe.
And then this is like a mini coffee table we could try instead.
Yeah, even just like off to the side or something.
Like if we swapped these two or something.
Maybe.
Yeah, it's kind of cute. I like the black more if we had to pick.
Me too.
Okay.
Let's put this on the side for now. It can go somewhere else.
And then pillows.
Pillows.
So this one definitely works now with the black.
I think so. Yeah.
And then we have these other options that are different textures.
Like, is the couch just too blue now?
I don't know, like there's this greeny color in the rug that actually kind of matches the teal.
Yeah, you're right. Oh, it totally matches like perfectly.
Yeah, I like
Whoa.
it. Like, could you do like double stacking on the corners?
Is that better? I guess so. You can always pile them in that corner.
Yeah, it's cute. Looks cozy.
It's hot in this little sunbeam.
It's cute.
It is cute. So, oh, we got the article lamp too.
Oh yeah, let's open that. Sure. Shade.
In shade. Ooh.
Nice. That black is perfect now with the coffee table.
Dude.
Good choice, team. Good choice.
Good job, team. I love this shape. It's so cute. And then this can like tilt. All right, we're just about done this room. We need some final touches. Plants. Bring in the plants, please.
This is so good.
I'm into it. I was worried there for a sec. The furniture felt disproportionate, but this is so freaking cozy.
It's so unexpected too. I didn't think we were doing like a blue theme.
I know.
But now it just like everything came together and it works so well because this was blue from the old office. You had those blue pillows, everything. I'm just like, oh, we have a lot of blue now.
And we have our black, which we can continue on through like the rest of our office now.
I like the black in here. It's sleek.
It is sleek. And all this article stuff looks so good. That lamp though, like I could just stare at that all day.
It's such a tropical vibe over there.
I know, it's like
so cool.
It's like, hello, I'm in the plant. Hello.
And this TV stand, I have to say it's an upgrade from our DIY.
Yeah.
Quite an upgrade.
Dude, DIY is like good. It's good. But so is a nice new piece of furniture that you can really appreciate.
It's better than good.
Cool. Good work, yo.
Yeah, on to the rest of the rooms. This new living room turned out so beautiful, especially thanks to Article for the new furniture in there. It really made the space come together. Make sure you check them out in the description if you want to learn more.
Thank you guys so much for watching this episode. I'm so excited for you to see the next episode where we turned our existing living room space into a new office. Make sure you guys subscribe and we'll see you next time.